Am I still? No. Unfortunately. Uh, Don't worry. Okay, first. Not still active. Right? Did I came back on the live? Did I not came back on the live? Is my live over? Is live done? Am I thrown out of the market? Yeah, it created a new live. New live is also created. Let me mention it. Just give me a second here. One second, guys. I'm adding a new link for all of the people because it's happening. How does this thing happen? I don't understand. Like, what is the issue? This is the new line, right? Okay, I opened a new line. This is the new line, right? This is my new line. Okay, I opened a new line. सैड पर ये करना पड़ा. This is my new line. सैड पर ये करना पड़ा. Audience TV only. Okay, so open the new join if you are like, I don't even know how to connect with you all people if you are already in that live stream. Okay, so please delete the live stream and join the new one because that live stream has ended. We are again facing the same problem which we are facing since like I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 to 4 weeks. It's fine. At least now it is not happening in 5, 5, 10, 10 minutes. It happened 2 times, 1 1 hour. Let it be. As we were discussing regarding a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay. What does a bullish engulfing pattern means? Bullish engulfing pattern is a big red green candle covering a red candle completely. Okay. This is called as bullish engulfing candle. Understood? Now, the fifth condition was the engulfing thing. First condition, downtrend. Market should be in downtrend means active selling should be there. Then second condition, the first candle should be red color. Third condition, the second candle should be a green color candle. Fourth condition, a bit gap down opening. Above $5, everything is okay. Okay, I have showed you $50, but above $5 gap, everything is okay. Then last condition, covering. The green candle should cover completely the red candle. Okay. So understand the psychology. Why even after a gap down opening are we having a bullish momentum? Why? First of all, trend. Understand the trend over here is what? A downtrend. Downtrend means with active selling. Like I have told you this one thing that once if a market has started a trend like a downtrend, for example, let's say market came from 500 and right now it is at 200. 300 value has already been driven by doing sell. Okay, strength continued till 500, 200 strength was there. But like I said to you, the strength is not constant. Strength is very variable. It will change constantly. It will be changing. Okay, so so what we need to do if the strength is constantly changing? Okay, at that time what we need to do is we need to make sure that it is in a downtrend, strength is already gone. Even after the strength, there is a gap down opening which we see, which we can trigger a lot of sellers that do more selling now because of the like investment price, like because of the market is falling more down, and if the gap down opening comes, sentiment affects and it can drop more down. But at the time we have to realize the strength was already of the sellers. If it doesn't continue more down, then it is not gonna go more down. Even after a gap down opening, if you see a big green candle, a big green candle as in like which is covering the complete strength of the sellers. The previous candle is completed completely. That means that the green candle is a strong dominance of a buyer who is overthrowing all the supply, all the whatever supply, sudden supply came or whatever came, they don't care about it. Extreme as they are already downtrend, they wanted to change it with a down with a gap down opening. If there is a big green candle, then if it is covering completely to the red, then we can see okay, it's going good and it is going to the buyers are going to enter a strong buyers, dominating buyers, and we can push the market up. How to take a trade in such candle? With a gap down opening, if there is a big green candle, then If it's covering completely to the red, then we can see, okay, he's going to sell. And it is going to, the buyers are going to enter a strong. Psychology is very simple. Even after the sentiment is going down, even after the sentiment of a negative, even after the sentiment of a sellers, still a buyers overthrow that thing. That means sudden, very good, strong, dominant buyer is going to take over the market. Okay. So what we need to observe: downtrend first, red candle, second candle, green candle, covering, gap down opening, everything. After that, once the candle gives us a closing, we'll put what trend line. Still, buyers overthrow. We'll put a trend line. Trend line is what? Our confirmation, the breakout. If we see a breakout of a candle, breakout closing, not this is breakout. The candle may come and close below. That's not I want. I want breakout plus close above. That is my confirmation. If I see breakout plus close above, this is the close. This is my what? Entry point. I will enter at this point, at that next candle, which is going to give me breakout closing, because I need confirmation as well. If it's actually going to be a dominating buyers or not, I got confirmation. SL I'm going to put is at the green candle's bottom, because that's from where the strong support came, strong buyers came. This is what my SL, my stop loss, my target can be 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. This can be my targets. Okay, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 can be my easy target. Got it? I will make you understand how to take a trade inside the market as well. Okay, let's go in the market. Let's see some bullish engulfing candles. First, we'll observe bullish engulfing candles in a downtrend. Okay, that's why I said like this candle formation and finding is the most hard one, because there are very rare case scenario in a downtrend where the candle gets completely covered. Okay, we are finding a little rare case scenarios. Okay, so bear with me. It might take a little bit of a time for us to find out that kind. Let's see if they the kind. Candle closing at 1093913. Candle opening at 10. A little gap up opening it is. I don't want gap up. I want gap down opening. So bear with me. It might take a little bit of a time for us to find out that kind. Let's see if they the kind. Candle closing 107619. 107619. No moment. Gap up opening it is. I don't want gap up. I want gap up. I want gap down. Gap down with engulfing. Gap down with engulfing. Gap down with engulfing. That too should form in downtrend. Downtrend, the most important thing, downtrend. Gap up. I want gap down. Gap down. 107852. Gap down with engulfing. Gap down with people are not entering. Why? 107892. 852. 107852. This is not the one. Complete cover. Let's see this. 98829. 98829. Same thing. That's why it's a little hard for us to find engulfing. Engulfing is very hard for us to find. So it's first need to be covered completely. Covering completely is very hard. But we'll find it. We'll try to find it as best as possible. That's why it's a little hard for us to find engulfing. Engulfing is very hard for us to find. So it's first need to be covered completely. Covering completely is very hard. 93770. 93770. Same. 83325. 83325. Again, same. $1 gap down opening. It's not even a gap down opening. Minimum should be at least 5. Let's change to 15 minutes. Maybe we can see 15 minutes faster. 870. Let's go from the right now market, right? Okay. 87410. 87410. Found it. Finally we found it. Okay. This is in 15 minutes you could found it. Okay. This is a bullish engulfing candle. Can we see candle closing is at what? Candle closing is 87908. Candle opening is at what? Candle opening is at 87894. Found it. Finally. 908 894. In 15 minutes you could found it. Okay. This is our bullish engulfing candle pre-market. The closing. Can we see candle closing is at what? Candle closing is 87908. This candle opening is at what? Candle opening is at 87894. Found it. 908 87 908 is our bullish engulfing candle pre-market. The closing. It was formed in December only, 31st of December. 31st of December. Yesterday it formed. Yesterday. No, not yesterday. 2 days ago. 2 days ago, bullish engulfing pattern was formed. 2 days ago. Close at this opening of this candle. Let's say opening of this. And it's a green candle. Open will be in the bottom, obviously. 31st of December. 31st of December. Yesterday it formed. Yesterday. No, not yesterday. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. 88039. No, sorry. 87894. And it's a green candle. Open will. That is the opening of this candle. Okay. How much gap down opening can we see? Can we see a gap down opening? How much gap down opening is there? 8790. What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference? Calculator. 87908 minus 87894. How much? 14 USDT. 14 is good. 14 is good. We see that there is a gap down opening. There is a gap. Very small. There is a gap down opening. How much? 14 USDT. 14 US dollar gap down. 14 US dollar gap down opening we can see in the market. Very small. Okay. Over here, close at 87908. Opening of the next candle is what? 87894. Gap down opening was there. We are in the downtrend as well. Can you see a bearish engulfing candle? And we will see covering as well. Okay. We will try to cover it. Let's cover it with the trend line. This is the close. From the close, we'll go like over here. Complete red candle covered. Complete red candle is completely covered inside. And I want to change it into the dash thing. We will try to cover it. Let's cover it. Completely covered, and we can do the same thing over here. Is we can see the opening was above, completely covered. Can you see that both green candle is covering inside that candle? If you cannot see it, I'll zoom it out for you. We can see it. See, this is that candle. It is closed, complete inside. Can you see the red candle is inside it? And you can see the opening. Opening is here. Can you see opening is here? Closing of this candle is over here. Can we see it that this opening is covering the closing? That means complete inside. The red candle is complete inside. This is what we need. And now this is what? A bullish engulfing pattern. Okay. How to trade in it? First, we'll confirm the. First, we'll confirm. First, we'll confirm all the conditions. First condition, market should be in downtrend. Can we see market is a downtrend from higher price? This is what we need. From higher price, a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay. From higher price, market came down. AS, market is in a downtrend. Active sellers are there. Second condition, first candle is a red color candle. Yes. Second candle is a green color candle. Yes. All condition matched. Two condition. One, there is a gap down opening. Can we see a 14 USDT gap down opening over here? Yes, we can clearly see a 14 USDT gap down opening over here. Last, fifth condition. Open and close of the green candle should completely cover the red candle. Can we see open and close of green candle is completely covering the red candle? Got it? All condition match, all five condition. Downtrend it is first candle red color candle, second candle green color candle, gap down opening of 14 USDT, and the last covering of red green color candle completely of the red. Done. After this, what we are going to do is entry and target. First, once we see the closing, at the closing, what we are going to put is a trend line. We are going to put a trend line at the closing. This is my trend line at the closing, which I put. Now, what I'm going to do is wait for the next candle to open and give a breakout above. Can I see the next candle breakout above? Yes. So this becomes what? This becomes my entry candle. Okay. I'm going to enter from here. This is what my entry. We are going to put a trend line at the closing. This is my trend line at the closing, which I put. Now, what I'm going to do is wait for the next candle to open and entry breakout above. Okay. Can I see the next candle breakout closing is my entry candle. Let's just delete this. Okay. I'm going to enter from here. This is what my entry. Okay. Entry. Now, what about my SL? I told you SL should be at the green candle low. This is my green candle low. Why? Because from here basically support came. Market got support and made the market jump up. So this is my what? SL. SL is what? Stop loss. Write it over here. SL. Brackets. Entry. Now, what about my SL? I told you SL should be at the stop loss. Okay. I got entry. I got stop loss. Now what? I need target. What can be my target? The market jump up. So this is my what? SL. SL is what? Stop loss. We'll go on over here. And as it's a bullish candle, what are we going to take? We are going to take a long position, which means the market price can go above that prediction we are doing. In a future prediction, whenever you see bullish engulfing candle, whichever is here, can you see a bullish? Can you see bullish engulfing candle? Whenever we see a bullish engulfing candle, what are we going to do is we're going to take a buy side entry. Okay. We're going to take a buy side entry. Whenever we see bullish engulfing candle, this is the bullish engulfing. First condition, downtrend, check. Second condition, red color candle. Third condition, green color candle. Fourth condition, gap down opening of 14 USDT, we can see. And fifth last condition, covering of the green candle of the red candle. Done. Complete entry where put a trend line at the closing of that candle, green candle. After that, whenever the next candle gives a breakout closing, that's the point my entry. My SL should be at the green candles SL. Okay. Now, I will put my long position over here. This is my long position. At the entry, will put and stop loss will make sure that it is at the low. And from here, what can we see? Market went till here. Can we see? This is the last point of market. We'll drag down our profit till there. Okay, this is the last point from where the supply started. Okay, we don't care about that supply, we care about that market profit. Can we see from here till here we saw the market price how much pump? Can we see 1:4 risk reward ratio, which means 1% was your risk and 4% was your profit. Easy target. 1:4. This is how you enter. Find out the candle first. Once you find out the candle, make sure that you are marking the closing and the opening price. Closing price, you can just tap on the candle. You can see it over here. Can you see open, high, low, close? Just tap on this candle. We'll see the closing. What is it? 87908. I wrote it 87908. The next level opening, if I put it, it is 87894. Did I wrote the same thing? 87894. What is the difference between is $14. 14 USDT is the difference between closing and the opening. Got it? After that thing, after the closing difference, once you spot the closing difference, identify the condition. First condition, market should be in a downtrend. Okay, this is a bullish engulfing candle. Downtrend, red color candle, green color candle, gap down opening, and covering. Covering is the most important. The whole candle should cover it. Okay. After that, we can enter at the trend. We'll put the trend line at the C. Closing of the green candle, we'll put the trend line and we'll wait for the breakout closing. If the next candle gives a breakout above closing, That is a point for me to enter in the market, and SL will be in the green candle long. Can you see my SL is not tapped, no loss. Market profit how much? 1 is to 4 risk reward ratio. Easy. Understood? Simple, easy to understand. We'll find one more example of bullish engulfing candle because it is little hard to find, and I want try to find bullish engulfing candle in the smaller time frames like 15-minute, 5-minute. Maybe in that time you can find it much more easier. Okay. One last, this recent one was formed on 31st of December. Okay. This was formed on 31st December. Very recently, means like 2 days ago. Yeah. 2 days ago, this bullish engulfing pattern was formed. Just 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Let's try to find out one more understanding of bullish engulfing, and then we'll close this, and then we'll look for a bearish engulfing. Okay. Just one last example. This bullish engulfing pattern was formed just 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Let's try to find out one more understanding of bullish engulfing, and then we'll close this. Okay. Can we see another example of your bullish engulfing pattern? Yes. This is another example of bullish engulfing pattern. Okay. I will make the closing and opening of those candles. Closing of the red candle is how much? Let's just go, let's see. 87. Okay. 87800. Okay. 87800 USD is the closing of the red color candle. Red candle closing is this much. Okay. I don't have space. Okay. Closing of red color candle is how much? 87800. Let's see opening of the red color green color candle. Open red candle closing is this much. Okay. I'll pass it on over here. What is the opening? 87791. 87791 is the opening of the next color candle. This green US dollar. How much difference can we see over here? How much gap down opening are we expecting from the market? Let me pick. Welcome user 888785. Welcome on the live stream. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, please make sure that you're joining my Telegram channel. Okay, user 888785. Please join my Telegram channel. Once you click on the Telegram channel, it will take you to the zbit.com live with Yash. Once you join this channel, you will be getting all the major minor updates of the market, whatever it is, all the major minor updates you will be receiving from my side. Plus, I am available at there even after the live stream. Okay, so make sure to join my Telegram channel. Live with Yash. Once you join this channel, you will be getting all. Now, this is our bullish engulf pattern. We can clearly see zero. Let me just calculate how much is the difference. 87800 minus 87791. 87791. How much is it? Now, this is our bullish engulf pattern. We can clearly see $9. $9 difference we can see over here. Can we see a gap up of 9? 87791. This is our third condition that, sorry, fourth condition that the gap up of how much? Gap up of 9 USDT, which we can see in the market. Very easily we can see a 9 USDT gap up in the market. Okay, this is a gap down of how much? 9 USDT. Now what are we going to do? We are going to simply analyze the market in a trend, if it's a downtrend, not or blah, market from higher price coming onto lower price, active sellers are there, a gap down opening, then covering. We can see fifth condition is also fine. The green candle is covering completely. Now, with all this condition, we have confirmed that it is a bullish engulfing candle. Now, how to take a trade in such candle? Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is put a trend line on the entry. Then put a trend line. Wait for the next channel closing. We saw the next channel closing. This is what my entry price. I will enter in the market over here. SL is down over here, and my target. What we can expect in the target. Okay, let's see. Trend line on the entry. This is basically my trend line. My entry over here. So I will tap on this with an arrow. This is my what? This is my. This is basically my trend line entry. Okay, my entry over here. My SL is where I told you in the green candles. Look, okay, great. I can see it's over here. This will be my what? SL. Entry. Okay, my entry over here. My SL is where I told you in the green candles. Look, okay, great. I can see it's over here. Even if, just for your understanding, if I put a horizontal array from this price, that's my SL. Because I want you to understand this one thing, which you will say it or never it touched my SL is hit and blah blah thing. Okay. So my SL is down over here. This is my stop. Now, in that one scenario, we're gonna do put a bullish entry SL squeeze it till where market reached. This is the highest point where market reached. This before hitting my SL, this is the highest point market reached. How much percentage? 1:2 risk reward ratio easily got. Can you see none of those two time market came down? This is one time when the market came down. Okay. Can you see, did it tapped into my SL? No. Did it tap into my SL? No. And we got how much till here? What is it? 2.03 means 1:2 risk reward ratio we got from this market. Easy. 1:2 risk reward ratio is my what? Target. Okay. Target 1:2 risk reward ratio. Bullish engulfing pattern. How to find it? Told you. How to identify the condition? Told you. How to trade as well? Too. Everything I've said. Everything. Okay. Let's delete it. Now let's understand a bearish engulfing. Bullish engulfing pattern. How to find it? Told you. How to identify the condition? Told you. How to trade as well too. This is the last candle pattern which I am explaining. After that, I'll shift to a little trading, a live trading, because every day for a very small amount of time we have to do the live trading. We have to put whatever knowledge we have gained inside the market to gain profit from it. This is the last pattern I'm explaining. After that, I will be shifting to what? To live trading. This is the last candle pattern which I'm explaining. After that, I'll shift to a little trading, a live trading, because every day for a very small amount of time we have to do the live trading. We have to put whatever knowledge we have gained inside the market to gain profit from it. This is the last pattern I'm explaining. After that, I will be shifting to what? To live trading. This is the last candle pattern which I'm explaining. After that, I'll shift to a little trading, a live trading, because every day for a very small amount of time we have to do the live trading. We have to put whatever knowledge we have gained inside the market to gain profit from it. This is the last pattern I'm explaining. After that, I will be shifting to what? To live trading. Okay. So we are gonna look at the last candle pattern. After that, we'll shift to the live trading sessions where I'll be doing a little live trading and giving you, looking at the market update, what kind of trade we can take, what kind of what kind of things we can do, every of these things we'll try to decide and think. So we're gonna look at the last candle pattern. After that, we'll shift to the live trading sessions where I'll be doing a little live trading and giving you looking at the market update, what kind of trade we can take, what kind of things we can do, every of these things we'll try to decide and think. So we're gonna look at the last candle pattern. After that, we'll shift to the live trading sessions where I'll be doing a little live trading and giving you looking at the market update, what trade we can take, what kind of things we can do, every of these things we'll try to decide and think. Okay. This is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. We'll discuss. Welcome user 632071. Welcome on the live stream. Please, all the users be in my telegram channel. Okay, this is my telegram channel over here. Can you see join telegram channel? So user 632071, I will request you to join my telegram channel, because see, in this live stream I'm 4 hours. Even after 4 hours, if you have issue, if you have doubt, anything, you can do it, solve it in the telegram group. So make sure to join my telegram group. Make sure that you are coming on the group and understanding each and every of those things from there. Let me see if there is something in my telegram channel, because see, in this live stream I'm 4 hours. Even after 4 hours, if you have issue, if you have doubt, anything, you can do it, solve it in the telegram group. So make sure to join my telegram group. Make sure that you are coming on the group and understanding each and every of those things from there. Let me see if there is something in my telegram channel, because see, in this live stream I'm 4 hours. Even after 4 hours, if you have issue, if you have doubt, anything, you can do it, solve it in the telegram group. So make sure to join my telegram group. Do you speak? You are coming on the group and understanding each and every of those things from there. Do you speak? Hablan. Let's understand bearish engulfing candle. Okay. What do you understand by bearish engulfing candle? Same thing. Like I said, covering of a candle, but situation is changing. Over there, buyers were dominating. In here, there will be sellers dominating. Okay. There's two differences. One difference. Buyers dominating over there in a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, the sellers will dominate. Plus, there was a gap down opening having in the bullish. In bearish, there will be gap up opening. Opposite reactions, what we are looking at. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the trend. As the trend should be what? The trend should be first condition. The trend, the market should be in an uptrend. Active buyer should be there. From the low price, market should go on the higher price. Active buyers who is pushing the market above. That is what happened. Okay. After that thing, second condition, the first candle should be in a green color candle. Can we see green color candle? Yes. Second candle should be a red color candle. That is basically the dominance of this seller. Okay. And third information, third condition, that there should be a gap down opening. Let's say that this closing was at 200 US dollar close. Second candle should be a red color candle. That is basically C is already written here. See. Okay. Let's say that this is 200 USD market closed. Example. The second candle opened at 250 USD. Can we see a gap up over here? This is called as gap up. Okay. Gap up happens because of, can we see gap up opening over here? Yes. How much? 50 USDT gap up is over there. 50, how much? 50 USDT. 50 USDT gap up we can see between two candles, which is very important for us to know if there is a gap up opening happening or not. Okay. Third condition is what? Gap up opening. A sudden hike of a demand should be there. Okay. Like I said to you, let's understand. And last condition is covering. The green candle should cover, sorry, red candle should cover completely. At least open and close should be inside. The red candles open and close. Okay, understood? Simple. Welcome user 567566. Welcome on the live stream. Please, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, where is my Telegram channel? Yeah. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, please join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel over here. Please make sure to join my Telegram channel if you haven't joined it right now. Understood? Simple. Welcome user 567566. Welcome on the live stream. Please, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, where is my Telegram channel? Yeah. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, please join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel over here. Please make sure to join my Telegram channel if you haven't joined it right now. Welcome user 567566. Welcome on the live stream. Please, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, where is my Telegram channel? If you haven't joined my Telegram channel till now, point, please join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel over here. Please make sure to join my Telegram channel if you haven't joined it right now. Okay. All condition matched. Uptrend good. First candle green, second candle red, 50% gap, and covering done. How? What is the psychology? What's going wrong over here? Psychology says one very simple thing. Okay. First thing, when the buyer strength is over, already coming from this. This is the point where buyer strength started, and this is where we are. Obviously, strength will lose. It won't be constant. The strength over here, which pushed the market from let's say 50 to 200, at 200 we won't be having the same strength. It will be little loose. At that loose strength, when we see a gap up opening, but the strength is not there to support it, there are not new fresh buyers in the market who can support that gap up. They're already lost when the strength is gone. So seller takes advantage of it. Even after the gap up opening, this kind of gap up can be, if in an uptrend there is a gap up, it can be a manipulation gap, like a gap which doesn't require to be. Okay. At that time when the candle opens, the sellers take over because the strength is gone. Seller looks for those points, even a buyer looks for those points when the opposite people strength, like for example thug of war. When you're playing thug of war, we some people have the strategy that they will hold until this people loses their strength, and that's where they pull the whole rope over there. Okay, same thing in the gap of opening. Even after the gap opening, when the market doesn't go above, when the buyers are not there in the market, what is going to happen is, at that point the seller is going to take over the strength and will push the market completely down. Okay, that's what is happening, and which will give us an active selling, a downtrend over here. How to trade in such candle? Okay, let's understand how to trade in this candle. First thing what we need to observe is closing. We saw the closing. What we're gonna do is obviously confirmation, same confirmation. We'll put a trend line at the closing. And once we put trend line at the closing, what we are gonna observe is the next candle to close below it. The next candle should close below it. If next candle doesn't close below, then we are not going for an entry. If breakout plus closing happens, then and then only we are going for entry. This is the breakout closing. This is our basically entry. Okay. And entry and SL will be here. This is our SL and target is same 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6. This is our target. I will show you directly in the market why to waste it over there. Okay. First, what we need to find is uptrend, gap up, after gap up, whole candle covering. Let's see from the starting itself. This is the start. And target is same 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6. This is the target. I will show you directly in the market. This candle closed at 87794. 8779. Same. There is no recent in the recent market. There is no difference. Okay. Let's see another one. 89100. 89100. Same, no difference. Let's see here. 89167, 89167. Same, no difference. Same. There is no recent in the recent market. There is no difference. Okay. Let's see another one. 89100, 90176, 90176. Same, no difference. 89167, 891. Bullish and bearish engulfings are very hard to find because this is opposite reaction is happening. Welcome user 490107. Welcome user 751869. Welcome on the live stream. I'm teaching you regarding a candlestick pattern, how to analyze it, how to trade in those, and perfect your future trading decisions. Plus, if you want my support even after the live stream, please make sure that you are joining this Telegram channel. If you just click on this more option, this is the Telegram channel join. Just click on that join button and join my Telegram channel join. You can have me even after the live stream. Okay. And perfect your future trading decisions. Plus, if you want my support even after the live stream, joining this Telegram channel. If you just click on this more option, this is the Telegram channel join. Just click on that join button and join my Telegram channel join. 88729, 88729. Same, no gap of opening. I guess this is that. But it's not covering completely. So it is having a little small gap up, but it is not covering. So this is not our bearish engulfing candle. Covering is the most important factor in the bearish engulfing. Okay. 8879. Same, no gap of opening. I guess this is that. But it's not covering completely. So it is having a little small gap up, but it is not covering. So this is not our bearish engulfing candle. Covering is the most important factor in the bearish engulfing. Okay. No. Let's go to 5 minute. Can we see the right now market, the current market is having a bearish engulfing candle, the current market. Okay, this is the current market. Maybe according to this, we can take a trade as well. Okay, let's first analyze everything. This is the closing. What is the closing of the candle? Closing of the candle is the price is at the right now market. The current market is having a bearish in 89813. 89813 US dollar. This is the closing of this candle. Okay, this candle I'm pointing on it. Okay, first candle. Second candle is this. What is the opening of the second candle? 9813 US dollar. Opening of second candle is 89. 830. First candle. Second candle is US. What is the opening of the second candle? Dollars. Opening of second candle is 8-9. Shall I point out the candle? 830. Let's point out the candle. Second candle US. What is the opening of the second candle? Dollars. Close of this candle. I'm pointing out close of this candle. Shall I point out the candle? Close of this candle and then and this is right now market is happening today we are spotting what bearish engulfing pattern today. This is today's market over here. Can we see a today market? Yes, this is 2nd Jan. This is candle formed in 2nd Jan, bearish engulfing candle, today's market. Okay, so what condition? First condition, market should be in an uptrend. Can we see market is in an uptrend? From lower price market is going up price? Yes. Can we see this? First condition, check. Second condition, first candle should be a green color candle, check. Second candle should be a red color candle, check. After that, there is a gap down opening as well. Can we see the price? 89813 US dollar is the first candle price. This is green candle closing, and opening of the other one is 89830. Let me just calculate quickly how much is the difference. Check. Second condition, first candle should be a green color candle, check. Second candle should be a red color candle, check. After that, there is a gap down opening as well. Can we see the price? 89813 US dollar is the first candle price. This is green candle closing, and opening of the other one is 89830. Let me just calculate quickly how much is the difference. Check. Second condition, first candle should be a green color candle, check. Second candle should be a red color candle, check. After that, there is a gap down opening as well. Can we see the price? 89813 US dollar is the first candle price. This is green candle closing, and opening of the other one is 89830. Let me just calculate quickly how much is the difference. Okay. Difference is 898 89813 minus 89830. 17 USDT hike up we have. Just write it down. Let's delete this. Delete this. 898 this, 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 17 USDT hike up. So in the current market, what are we getting it? In the current market, we are gaining a 70. We've spotted a bearish engulfing candle first. And after that, the bearish engulfing candle, what we are spotting is the closing, and everybody is having a gap down opening. Gap down opening of how much? Gap up actually, sorry. Gap up opening of how much? There is a gap up opening of 17 USDT. 17 US dollar gap. In the current market, we are gaining a 17 US dollar gap of opening we are spotting. So all the condition matching, uptrend there, then first candle green there. Third condition that the red candle should be there. Second candle red candle there. After that, closing and opening is having gap of how much? Gap up opening of how much? $17 is there. After that, the closing. We have to just find out what that the open and the close of the red candle is covering the open and the close of green candle. Can we see? If I point out the line at this And this we can clearly see the open and close of that green candle is completely inside the red. Okay, condition matched. What are we gonna do? We're gonna take check a first trend line. How to trade in it? Put a trend line over here. This is the trend line. After putting a trend line, what I'm going to do is wait for the next candle to go below it. This is my next candle, basically my entry point, but right now market is going on over here, so we can find a different entry point as well. Okay, so my entry point, basically, if people want to enter, and SL is over here. This is my SL, and how much profit we can give. For example, let's say if entry is from here. No, this is for short entry, short entry. Right now market is going on over here, so we can find a different entry point as well. Entry. So SL. Entry point, basically, how much people want to enter, and 1:2 to easily we can. 1:2 ends up over here. That's where the place of the demand zone is. 5 minute demand zone. Okay, this is a 5 minute demand zone. Entry. SL. Okay, and plus there is a fair value gap as well over here. Fair value gap. 1:2 to easily. Okay. 1:2 ends up over here. This is how you will enter in the bearish engulfing candle. This is the right now current period of time. I will give you perfect entry where you can enter actually at right now price, where you can actually enter with a very good price. As I can observe, market is making what? A lower low, lower high situation. Market is making low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay. Yes. We have some. Let's see if I gap in the candle, which market already tapped in. Okay. Market already tapped into that gap and is fine now. We can go for a sell side direction from over here, and we can put a target. Small target can be kept at this price. Small target, big target can be kept at over here. This is the big target. This is the two target which we can see. Let's see in the 1 hour session what we can observe. And we can put a target. Small target can be kept at a small demand over here. Right now we have, like, this is in the 5 minute, it is a bearish engulfing candle which we can observe. We can enter in the BTC and gain a profit till this point, first and second. Primary target, secondary target, which we can do at right now position. So I would request a lot of people who have already entered, not entered on kind of situation like that, please make sure to enter in the market. If you want to see what kind of profit a bearish engulfing pattern can give you, it can give you till here. This is a 2:1 reward ratio over 2:1 reward. Okay. Secondary target, which we can do at right now position. So I would request a lot of people who have already entered. There was a small gap which was tapped and then is trying to fall down. Okay. Enter in the market. If you want to see what kind of profit a bearish engulfing pattern can give you, it can give you till. Understood? This is a 2:1 reward ratio over. Now let's go for an investment. I really want to invest something in the market. Let's do some live trading. There was a small gap which was tapped and then is trying to fall down. Okay. Understood? Now let's go for an investment. I really want to invest something in the market. Should we enter in BTC or should we enter in some different thing? Should we enter in? What are those candles? What are those coin which is given by today? We can clearly see over here 100 Pepe USDT prefer long and render USDT 270 for short. These are the two coins which is given by the AI con bot of the Zbit. Zbit is also offering you that one thing. Okay, I hope you understand and I hope you take advantage of it. Welcome user 675062. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Render USDT and 100 Pepe USDT. We'll see such kind of coins in the market over here. Render will check and then we'll try to enter with respective situation. BTC is not ready for investment. Like, you can consider this one thing that like we can have more downfall, I think, as market is trying to make a bearish pennant pattern over here. Resistance, not bearish pennant actually. The resistance is same, ascending. Oh. Two different chart pattern in one. One is a trend line. So buyers to buyers, sellers. But this is from 89 90 level, we can have a breakout of the market. But will it be true breakout? A big question. We can see an ascending triangle chart pattern, but ascending triangle chart pattern. Welcome, Gabriel. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Please join my Telegram channel and be a part of the live stream group on the Telegram, where I am available even after the live stream. Okay. This is an ascending triangle chart pattern which is forming in the BTC, which can suggest a breakout, but breakout scenarios are not there. See, ascending. See, can we see such kind of structure over here where resistance is taking at a very similar places, but the support is increasing slowly, slowly. Can we see the same exact movement over here? Support is increasing slowly, slowly, and resistance is staying at a like kind of a same place. Not from the starting, but from till here, we can see resistance at a kind of a same place, and support is increasing daily by daily. And this is what I'm watching is a day time frame. Okay. If I go on a 4 hour time frame, it will be more accurate. We can clearly see that small support being taken, which is increasing, and resistance at the same price. Even right now, the market came down to same price, and right now trying to fall. Okay, the breakout. I'm not saying the breakout can happen like suddenly, like right now. The breakout will happen. The breakout will. It will take time, obviously. I can draw. I can draw. I can draw this. I can draw this easily. This is my supply. This is my basically the supply which is being tapped again and again and again and again in the market. Same. And this is my ascending where the support is trying to rise it. And this is exactly how it looks like. Can you see ascending triangle chart pattern over here? Okay. And it usually gives such kind of up movement. The breakout will be for upside. Maybe BTC is trying to form a very good support point where we can have very good up movement in the market where sudden investment of institutional people can come. But if institutional people's investment doesn't come in the market, we will not enter for those situations. Entry for those point is required. Entry for ascending triangle is required a lot. Such kind of movement we can see. Can you see ascending triangle breakout, a good movement for up direction? Okay, now we have that movement which we can maybe gain in the market. Okay, in the day time frame it looks very clear that it is a ascending plus the zones or zone is also matching exactly the zone. We are just waiting for the breakout. Maybe it will take time. I'm not saying the breakout can happen tomorrow, day after tomorrow. It will take time till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe somewhere around here we'll get a breakout toward up. The breakout will carry it down till what point? Okay, let's see. Supply zone was, this is the supply zone of the market. So maybe we can see the market coming back to 100K level again. Okay. Welcome user 952876. Please join my Telegram channel. If you can see over here, go live. When you come on the live stream over here, if you click on the more option, this is where I am live. Join my Telegram group. Okay, please make sure to join my Telegram group, because even after my live stream I am over there available for all of people for whatever query you are having. If you are having doubt, if you are having anything, please make sure that you can contact me at that group. Okay, please contact me at that group. This is that group Telegram. Join my Telegram channel. In here you can contact me very easy. Please make sure to join my Telegram group, because even after my live stream I am over there available for all of people for whatever query you are having. If you are having, as per the Bitcoin prediction, like I said to you all people, ascending triangle chart pattern is visible with a similar resistance point plus support is also gradually going up. We can see maybe in the 1 week, maybe in the 2 week, we can see a breakout in the BTC for an upward direction where the market can go up to the point of 100 level. Like basically, what is the Bitcoin prediction? Like I said to you all people, ascending triangle. Basically, we can see the market price at 103. 103, we may can see market coming up to that point in a day time frame. In a long term scenario, I'm telling you about this. Okay, in a long term scenario, what we can see is breakout is not ready. It might take some time, but it will come very soon. Okay, so we have to tap into that breakout. The breakout can happen at the range of 90. Basically, you can consider at the range of 90 a breakout will come, and from that breakout we have to go for a major buy scenario, in which we will go for buy and we will take care of the market for upside direction. So there is a very good prediction plus a very good moment where we can go for a future long trade, which is basically market price can go up, which is your buy and long are same. Okay, buy and long are same. Future buy from this point where the ascending triangle chart pattern is formed. But you also have to consider 50-50 scenario. Maybe it will happen, maybe it won't happen. It is not the same thing. Maybe it will happen and maybe it won't happen. Got it? And also user 952876, if you are a new user and haven't deposited till now point, okay, then if once you click on the live stream deposit, you will be getting one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side. Okay, so if you deposit minimum 3 USDT, but first deposit and minimum 3 USDT, then I will be giving you what? One Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side. Okay, understand this point that I can provide one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side, only and only if you are a new user and you are doing a three 3 USD deposit in my deposit button. Can you see a deposit button over here in the live stream? Yes, at that point. Second thing, if you want to earn a 200 USDT, can you see here 200 USDT future credit? If you click on there, you will see something that we are offering you a with just 20 USD deposit. We are giving you 200 USDT free trade. This 200 USDT free trade can be taken by very simple thing, like you can get Ethereum or Bitcoin bigger trade with just a deposit of 200. Where you need to deposit, please make sure do not do a deposit over here. If you do deposit over here, you will not get it. Do not do a deposit over here. Make sure that you are doing a deposit in the live stream itself. Right now in my live stream, if you do this deposit, if you click on this deposit button and do a 20 USDT deposit, I will be providing you what? I will be providing you 200 USDT future credit to take the trade inside Ethereum or Bitcoin. The idea behind this is that we want you to show how much big profit you can gain from the big investment. Okay, so please understand my point that you need to do a deposit of 20 USDT inside the live stream from this deposit option. Can you see a deposit option over here? This is that deposit option. Click on this deposit and follow the process. Follow crypto deposit, then USDT, then you can pick your blockchain over here. Okay, this is the blockchain. Pick your blockchain and scan it and deposit 20 USDT so that you can gain 200 USDT worth of trade in Ethereum and Bitcoin, which can open a bigger profit for you. And that profit you can easily withdraw, easily use for the next trade or whatever you want to do. That profit you can do anything. Okay, simple. So everybody, 200 U. Plus, on top of that, there is one more reward for all of you people, which is contract trading gift. Okay, contract trading gift was right now if you take a trade of 1927.47, just do 990 1930, sorry, 1930 USDT. If you deposit and take a trade of that amount, you will be getting what? You will be getting a trade of whatever trade you take, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or anything. But trade is not important. What is important is the major coins which you will be receiving. Major coins you are receiving is Ethereum. One day Ethereum, second day Dogecoin, third day you will be receiving XRP, fourth day you are receiving Shiba Inu, fifth day you are receiving Pepe coin, sixth day you are receiving Solana, and seventh day you are receiving Bitcoin. Make sure to tap on the register over here once you register and do a deposit in the live stream. Okay, even if you are doing a contract trading is basically your future trading. If you do future trading with a worth of 3000 and less, trade at 1990 is a minimum, and maximum you can go for a 3000. Between that range, if you take a trade in the future trading, you will unlock a spot coins. These spot coins will be there with you forever, same like you buy a gold. It will stay in your account forever till the point you see if there is a price hike up, and then you can sell as well. How much? Ethereum, which is first day Ethereum, second day Dogecoin, third day XRP, fourth day Shiba Inu, fifth day Pepe, sixth day you get Solana, sixth day you get Solana, seventh day you will receive BTC Bitcoin. Please do not forget such kind of heavy gifts are available at Zbit. Only thing which you need to do is make sure to do a deposit in the live stream. 20 USD deposit, 200 USD you get from me for taking a trade in Ethereum or in Bitcoin. 200 USD future credit. Okay. And if you don't want to do that thing, but you want to have a bigger reward, which is the contract trading, then do a deposit of 1930 USDT to enter the market to take a trade and receive Ethereum, Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba Inu, XRP, Bitcoin, all those kind of coin you can receive over here. Okay. So, plus before leaving, I just want to tell you all people that please join my live stream. Joining my live stream is the most important thing. You need to join my live stream over here. If you do not join my live stream, I won't be there to help you even after live stream, because you are taking a trade throughout a day. Throughout a day, you might feel that there are some complications which I need to ask. Should I enter for the buy? Should I enter for the sell? Market structure, market update, any news update, or any Zbit major minor update which you require from my side, or you need my help in anything, in deposit, in reward, in risk management, take a trade, anything. I am available at that Telegram channel. So please make sure to join my Telegram channel. If you do not join my Telegram channel, then you are not having my help even after the live stream, because live stream is only for 4 hours. After 4 hours, there is nobody to help you. But if you join this Telegram channel over here, just click on this first option, because in the main channel there is no replying. Like, you cannot text, you cannot message in that group. It is forbidden. But you can message in my group. for whatever help you need. Just click on this Telegram channel, join group, click over here, and it will take you to here. Zibit.com live with Yash. Just join my channel. It's a recently made channel. Very recently I've made it. Join my Telegram channel and you can ask anything, whatever you need help of me in that channel. Okay. So I'll see you guys day after tomorrow. Saturday is my holiday. Tomorrow is just like one extra holiday I have, so I've taken it on Saturday. Sunday I will be there for all of you people. Tomorrow there is no live stream. No live stream tomorrow. Sunday I will be coming for all of you people. Okay. So all the people, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part. Do not forget to join my live stream group Telegram channel of the live stream. Okay. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you day after tomorrow. Saturday, I am not going to be there on Saturday. I will come on the live on Sunday. Okay.